Hi everyone, today we are going to learn transferred epithet. Before you learn the term transferred epithet, let me analyze the term so understanding will be a piece of cake for you. The word transfer means the act of moving from one place to another. And the second word is epithet, which refers to adjectives or phrases that describe nouns. So, in simple words, when an adjective is transferred to another noun in a sentence is called transferred epithet. So, in simple words, when an adjective is transferred to another noun in a sentence is called transferred epithet. Why is it called transferred epithet? Because an adjective is transferred from one word to another. So, that is why it is called transferred epithet. By the way, let me reference to various definitions and explain through the help of it. A transferred epithet is a figure of speech in which a modifier qualifies a noun other than a person or thing it is actually describing. This definition means that when an epithet is transferred from the noun it is meant to describe to another in the sentence. For example, I had a sleepless night. Here, in this example, the epithet is sleepless. But let me ask you a question. Can a night be sleepless? No, not at all. Because a person can be sleepless in night and not a night be sleepless. So here, I was sleepless, but this epithet sleepless is transferred from I to night. So it is transferred epithet. The Oxford Dictionary of Literary Terms states that a transferred epithet is formed when an adjective appropriate to one noun is attached to another by association. I think you are not getting the point. Let me just give you an example. Through it you will understand it. The example is the teacher pointed an angry finger at the class. Here, the epithet is angry, so let me ask you again a question, whether the teacher was angry or his finger was angry. The answer is the teacher was angry, but the epithet is transferred from the teacher to his finger. So, here it is transferred epithet. And look at another example. I have had such a wonderful day. This is the example of transfer epithet because the day was not wonderful, but the experience I had that day made me feel wonderful. The feeling of wonderfulness is transferred from I to the day. So that is why it is transfer epithet. Well, let me give you another example. They had a joyous ride. Here the epithet is joyous and it modifies the word ride. So ride was not enjoying the ride, but they were enjoying the ride. So it is transferred from a word to another. Well, I hope you have understood the term transfer epithet, and please do not forget like and subscription to the channel. And see you next time. Bye bye.